Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Guts in anime Vanguards. Guts is a highly sought-after unit, celebrated for his incredible damage potential and unique combat style. He can apply powerful bleed effects to enemies and significantly boost his own damage through accumulating injury stacks. Mastering these core mechanics is essential to truly unleash his full power on the battlefield and dominate your opponents. To acquire Guts, you'll typically need to summon him, with the monarch rarity being particularly powerful. The evolution process involves completing special quests, such as the Struggler quest, and gathering specific materials. You'll need items like the Dragon Slayer and Skull Knight Evo items, along with a good amount of green essence and various star fruits. Focus on farming these resources and completing the required takedowns to unlock his full potential. To optimize Guts, focus on his injury stacks. He gains 5% damage per stack, maxing out at 20 stacks for a 100% damage boost. The Nose Familiar is a top choice, as its stun effect actually activates Guts' passive bleed and powerful follow-up attacks. Additionally, consider pairing him with support units like the Smith or the Witch, who can provide crucial buffs and crafting benefits, making Guts even more devastating in battle. Guts stands as one of the best damage per second units in anime Vanguards, excelling at draining enemy shields and unleashing devastating area of effect attacks. For sustained effectiveness, strategic placement on the map and a well-rounded team composition are absolutely crucial. He truly shines when supported correctly. Also, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.